Hi, this is Dheeraj Jain. I'm Chief Revenue Officer at JetFerry.ai. Let me share a story with you. This is the story of Bob the bee. Bob is a hard worker. He collects nectar from the best flowers on time. As he collects from all the flowers assigned to him, he keeps track of the maximum he has squeezed from each flower, while meeting the criteria of minimum collections he has to do every day. But despite slogging all day, he often misses the target. Turns out that the flowers assigned to Bob are spread around erratically, and he wastes a lot of time traveling from one flower to the hive and then back to the other flower, which is far and away. His valuable productive time is wasted in travel, all because of the allocation was not spatially optimized. Is that what is wrong with your collection agents whose circle of influence does not match their daily collection roster, resulting in less than efficient allocation? Is it possible to manually allocate collection tasks when the numbers run in hundreds and thousands? Want to fix it now? Talk to us.